Hello once again, YouTube. I'm going to do a little video on the CoCo Color Computer 3, and this is kind of on the same take as Atari Leaf had done when he showed how to use Driveware, and finally got it working. And this is how we do it. So I may not be as good an explainer as he is, as Atari Leaf did, but I'm gonna take a run through and show you how I got it hooked up. I'm using the 27-inch iMac for my server, and so on the Cloud9 there was a way I can download the Driveware for thought I could see it, but you can't see it anyway. And so you had to have two cables. You had to have the serial cable, which the 9-pin serial cable, which the Mac doesn't have a serial port. It has USB. So he sent me a converter that converts the serial to USB. This is the USB, this is the serial port. It plugs in the back of the CoCo, and this here goes into the back of the computer on the USB side. You have to have a driver to make that work, so he sent me the driver. And then we have this is the Driveware 3 software right there. That's the Driveware 3 software. Back to the CoCo, you have to have one more piece of wire, and that is this wire right here, and it's the cassette wire. Now, I could have plugged this into the back of the computer, but where I'm using a Firebox as my interface for my my sound, because I use real monitors, because I do recording also, and I just plug in the cassette cable for the computer, and which comes like this, and I have a little adapter, and make it a 1/4-inch jack and plug it into the headphone jack of that. Turn it up, not halfway, but almost halfway. And once that's done, then we go on to let's minimize that down, and I go on to here, and I got a folder in here called CoCo, and this is the HDBCC3 WAV file right there. So right there, this file right here is the HDBC WAV file. So what I do is I go up here onto the TV set now, and I'll type in CLOADM, and we get the little S, and then I just click on this, and then it starts loading this program. And that'll take a couple minutes right here to load that. So I'll get back with you in just a bit. Alright, we're back. Now I just go back to the CoCo and I type in EXEC and we're in the dist extended color basic now. Now in back to the computer, we load up the Driveware software and make sure I got the USB serial port turned on. Then I go up in here to my games, and I got a couple of games, and so we got, that's the games. But what I don't do that. We go in here and we click on one of these drives, and that loads it up from there, loads it right in there. Now we got a disk in there. Go back to the CoCo, type in dir, and then there's the games. So from there we go LOADM space quotations, type in CoCo3.mov, which is binary, and put that in quotations. Hit OK. It's OK. Now we execute the program, EXEC, and if that all goes well, this is what we get. And I can take the little joystick, and we can play some Centipede. Doing this with one hand, so it's, but that's it. That's how to get the Mac to be the server for a CoCo. Thanks for watching.